Well, on the name of self-isolation, government nowadays can put you in your house for 14 days and no question asked. If you get out, you're going to get fined. So to be in good health and mind, you have to move around. Moving outside in rainy weather, it is always difficult. So the only thing you need is a treadmill. But having a treadmill, a full-blown treadmill, will cost you a lot of money and the space as well. But no need to worry about it anymore. The small solutions are available nowadays, which works as a treadmill and easy to store. Something like this, which is right in here in front of me. So in simple words, we're going to check out each and everything about this treadmill in this video, where you can get it and how it is in terms of demonstration too. So let's not waste too much of time and straight away jump into this. What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video, we are looking into a motorized treadmill by Bigzzia, if I'm pronouncing it right, which I purchased from the ArmadaDeals.com. They have got a very competitive price on it. I had a discount of about 30% on it. Got delivered in my house in 3 days, the day I purchased it. Well, I mentioned in the beginning of this video that what were my reasons to purchase this treadmill, and I'm sure you might have the similar ones as well. And also, if you like to go for the training as well, come with the multiple speed and LCD display screen with the speed ranging from 1 to 10 kilometers per hour. Allow you to adjust the speed by using a remote control, and you can also physically control your exercise too. Help you to show you the time you've been running, speed and the calories, the distance you have traveled in terms of burning your calories too. Kind of very portable and slim design, providing you with the best in-office fitness while you're working or in your living room. Only weighs about 23 kilograms, not that bad at all, and also capable to hold up to a person with a weight about 120 kilograms. Not that bad actually. I'm pretty okay with it for sure. That equipped with a smooth and ultra quiet 1.5 horsepower treadmill motor and with a durable frame and shock absorber to reduce the system noise. A complete installation free, straight out of the box design. Take it out of the box and use it, that's about it. With a runner length of 102 centimeters and a width of 39 centimeters. Now all other information which you wanted to know about this treadmill are also available in the video description and the link I have placed in from where you can purchase it. But if you still have any more questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I would be happy to help. I will not be wasting too much of your time and straight away showing you around the treadmill, what comes with it and the demonstration. By the end of this video, you will have an idea that is this the treadmill you are looking for or not. So let's not waste too much of time and straight away see what is included within the packaging. Well, within the packaging, you are getting a lubricant oil for your treadmill, an Allen key, a complete fitness equipment manual explaining each and everything about this treadmill, very simple, straightforward infrared remote control, which will give you freedom of turning the power on and off, play and pause, change the mode of operation, increase and decrease the speed. Well, in last but not least, we have our smart treadmill belt right in here. Very lightweight to handle and maneuver around. Where on the running belt as well as in the front of the treadmill, you have a manufacturer logo and a status display to display you how fast you are running. Power on button to turn treadmill on is in the front body as well, along with the power cable, which is a UK compatible. In treadmill front body, you also have 2 wheels and also come with the studs completely around it to make sure the treadmill is sturdy on the floor as well. As I mentioned about easy maneuverability, you can just lift it up and move it wherever you want it, no worries whatsoever. We'll help you to maneuver it, no problem whatsoever. If we look into the size and the thickness of this treadmill belt, it would be very easy to slide under the bed or on the back of the sofa if you want to. So the issue to store this treadmill is not a problem at all. Now, provided L key is used to tighten up the belt area using in these kind of 2 places. Instructions for that are also available within the user manual. At the moment of time, the belt is so much sturdy, not moving at all anywhere. That is a good thing. Once you find it loosen up, here is a L key tool which you can use to fix it. Now from the side of build quality, it is a very solid and sturdy portable treadmill you can have. Well, now it's time for us to power up the treadmill first time and go ahead with the performance. It is very important not to lose this remote control, because that is the only thing which you're going to get which will help you to control this treadmill. Starting with the mode, play and pause, powering on and off, increase and decrease the speed of your treadmill too. Now on powering up your treadmill first time, you're going to hear a beep sound, a version number of your treadmill software, and the timer first to start with. Right in here you have a speed. Now if you look at it in more detail, here we have all the mode of operation which you can select from the treadmill by pressing this mode button on your remote control. Right, to start with, you have a timer where you can set how timer you want it to run the treadmill for. Second one is for the kilometers in speed. Third one is how many calories you have burned. You can set the target and off you go. Next one is the calories count. Now you can go back to the timer or anywhere you wanted to start to. The user interface and the use of remote control is easy and straightforward. No need to have a rocket science degree in anything at all. Now to start treadmill, the only thing you need to do is click onto this play button. Display will be running between calories you have burned, time you have been running onto it, what speed you are running as well, which is in kilometers, and how many kilometers you have ran. Altogether you can go up to the speed of up to 10 kilometers. You can stop the treadmill by pressing a pause button here, which will slowly reduce the speed down rather than a full sudden stop. And you can start the treadmill again by click onto the play button, which to start with run within steady speed. Now let's go ahead with give you a full demonstration while me walking and running on this treadmill. Well, here I am in the end of this video, and I try to show each and everything which is offered by this Bigzzia, if I'm pronouncing it right, motorized treadmill. The only thing which I don't like about this treadmill is having a control on it actually as well. Sometimes you actually need it rather than having a remote control. That is the only drawback I found. Other than that, it is fantastic. Does what it says on the tin actually. Very much portable. Slide under the bed on the back of the sofa as well if you want to. Very light to deal with, maneuver and work as well. Not that bad at all. I have not even seen the load coming on my feet or knees at all as well, because the amount of shock absorbers it got within the frame as well. I'm on the floor, as you can see, it's a wooden floor. It will not be taking a lot of vibration out of it, but with the shock absorber, it worked great as a doddle. Now that would be all from my side, and if you think I have missed anything within this video, do let me know in the comment section down below. I would be happy to help on that matter as well. Now, if you're thinking of purchasing this product, Link for that is also available in the video description. So on that note guys, thank you again for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.